Panchtantra is a ancient old collection of the stories, and these stories are based on the animal stories, and all these stories gives us moral value at the end. And it is believed that the stories which are taken from Panchtantra, they all are written by a Sanskrit scholar, and name of that scholar is Sri Vishnu Sharma. And today we are also going to read one of the story from that Panchtantra. So kids, before I start telling you the story, I would like to ask you, do you have friends? Of course you all might have so many friends. And do you help your friends when they need you, or do you leave them alone at the time of need? I know you all are very good friends and you might help your friends at the time of need. So today we are going to read a story about 4 friends, in which how the 4 friends they help each other. So let's begin the story. Once upon a time there were 4 friends, a turtle, a deer, a sparrow and a mouse. All these were very good friends and they used to live and stay happily in the forest. One day what happened, all these 4 friends, they were playing very happily near a pond, and suddenly they saw a hunter, and hunter was coming towards them, and that hunter was carrying a big net in his hand. And when they saw that, all these animals, they got very scared and they think of the way to save themselves. So what they did, the deer, he ran toward the bushes and hid himself, and the mouse, he ran toward a tree and he just hid himself in a hole under the tree. And the bird, as it can fly, the bird, the sparrow, it flew away to the high branch of the tree. Then the turtle, at last the turtle, as you know that the turtle cannot move so fast, so turtle, he was also trying to move towards the pond. So he was walking very slowly and trying to reach to pond to hide himself. But before he could reach there, the hunter reached there, and hunter threw the net on him and he just trapped him in his net. Now when they see that, when the sparrow, the mouse and the deer, they see that their friend is been trapped in a net, they all got very troubled. They all got worried about their friends. So they thought of the way to save their friend. They tried to think of a plan how to save the friend. So according to their plan, what the sparrow did, the sparrow flew high up in the sky and tried to locate where the hunter is, where the hunter had gone. And when she saw the hunter, she told the deer that where the hunter is. And immediately what the deer did, deer ran very quickly and overtook the hunter. And he lied down on the path, he laid down on the path and he pretended that he is dead. When the hunter saw the dead deer, he got very happy, and what he did, he dropped down the trapped turtle and he thought to take that deer. He went toward the deer to take him with himself. So when he dropped him down, he moved toward the deer. Till then what happened, the mouse came toward the trapped turtle and he teared his net and he torn the whole net and he set him free. He just set him free from that net by tearing that, by cutting the trap with his sharp teeth. After cutting the net with his sharp teeth, the turtle and the mouse, the turtle he got free, and both turtle and the mouse, they escaped from the place very quickly. They ran away from there. And till then the hunter, when he was moving toward the deer, till then the deer also abruptly, he also stood up and he also ran away from that place. Abruptly means suddenly he woke up and stood up from the place and he also ran away from the place. So the hunter was very astonished to see that the deer is not there. He was surprised and he was feeling very disappointed. So he decided to just take the trapped turtle again with him. But when he turned back and he looked back, he saw that the turtle was also escaped. The net was cut there and turtle was not there. So at last he felt very disappointed, and he was uttering some bad words in his mouth. He cursed about his misfortune, about his bad luck. And at last the four friends, they were very happy to save his friend, and the turtle thanked their friend for saving his life, and they started to live happily in the forest again. So that was all in the story. What did you learn from the story? We have learned that we should help our friends at the time of need. That's all in the story. Thank you.